वेलकम टू एव्हरीबडी. तर लास्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन, व्हॉट इज द एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन हे पाहिलं होतं. आणि मग एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व कसं करायचं हे पण एक्झाम्पल सहित आपण केलं होतं. आणि त्या ठिकाणी मी इन्स्पेक्शन मेथडच्या सहाय्यानं एक्झाम्पल घेतली होती. त्याचबरोबर रूल 1 जे इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर कसा काढायचा तो रूल 1 सुद्धा दिला होता, रूल 2 सुद्धा दिला होता. तर आज आपण या ठिकाणी रूल 3 म्हणजे कोणता आहे तो बघायचा आहे. सो रूल 3. So what is the rule 3? To find the integrating factor. Okay, so if dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n is a function of x only say fx, then what is the integrating factor? Then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of fx dx. Okay, e raised to integration of fx dx. Okay, so what is the exact difference? What is the differential equation? M dx plus m dy is equal to 0. You know what is the m? What is the m? So find out dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x, and divided by n. If we calculate this, we get something is a function of x only. So we say this is as fx. Then what is the integrating factor? Integrating factor is equal to e raised to fx dx. जर हे फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स ओनली येत असेल तर इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर हा असतो. ठीक आहे. मग ह्याच टाईपचा आपण वी टेक वन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सच टाईप. सो एक्झाम्पल, टेक एक्झाम्पल, solve x raised to 4 e raised to x minus 2xy square dx plus 2x square y dy is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the differential equation, but this differential equation is not exact differential equation. So by using this formula we find the integrating factor. So okay, so solution, comparing this equation with m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with this equation. So what happened here? So what is m? M is equal to x raised to 4 e raised to x minus 2xy square, and n is equal to 2x square y. Okay, so find dou m by dou y. So partial derivative, find partial derivative of m with respect to y, keeping x a constant. So what is the dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y. So what is the partial derivative of dou m by dou y? With respect to y, keeping x constant. So this term is a constant term. So derivative of this is 0. So what is the derivative of y? 2y. So that is minus 4xy. So what is the dou n by dou x? dou n by dou x. Partial derivative of n with respect to x, keeping y constant. So this is 4xy. Derivative of x square is 2x into 2, 4xy. So now we take this formula. So that is the dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x divided by n is equal to. So what is dou m by dou y? Minus 4xy minus dou n by dou x 4xy divided by n is what? 2x square y. Okay. So this is what? Minus is equal to minus 8xy divided by 2x square y. So y get cancelled, x get cancelled. So minus 4 upon x. Okay, minus 4 upon x. Okay, so this is fx, function of x, fx. Then what is the integrating factor? So integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of fx dx. So this is what? E raised to integration of fx is what? Fx is this minus 4 upon x dx. So this is equal to what? E raised to minus, oh, just a minute, minus 4 log x. So this is 1 upon x raised to 4 after simplification. So that is very simple. So this is the integrating factor. So by multiplying this integrating factor to this equation, then the equation becomes exact differential equation. So multiplying by this integrating factor to this equation. Therefore this equation becomes here multiplying by integrating factor is equal to 1 upon x raised to 4 to equation 1. So what is equation 1? So we say this is equation number 1. So this equation becomes here after multiplying this. So that is e raised to x minus 2y square divided by x cube dx. Plus, so what happened here? Just a minute. Plus 2y upon x square dy is equal to 0. So okay. So by multiplying this equation by integrating factor, this equation becomes exact differential equation. So you can check is it different exact or not by obtaining dou m by dou y again and dou n by dou x. If dou n by dou x is equal to dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then the equation becomes exact झालेलंच आहे. त्यामुळे पुन्हा हे करण्याची काय गरज नाही, तुम्ही करू शकता, काय हरकत नाही आहे या ठिकाणी. सो ते एक्झॅक्ट झाल्यानंतर then what is the solution of this differential equation? So integration of m dx. So what is the m? कारण का हे इक्वेशन ह्या फॉर्म मध्ये आलेला आहे. So what is the m? M is this usual method e raised to x minus 2y square divided by x cube dx. Okay. So what is the integration of this? With respect to x. So what is the integration of this? So integration of this is e raised to x integration e raised to x. आता इथं 2y square चा काही संबंध नाही आहे बघा, y square चा काही संबंध नाही. -2 upon x cube. So इंटिग्रेशन काय? प्लस y square upon x. y square as it is. आता 1 upon x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय? -2 upon x cube. So integration of this is this. Okay? ठीक आहे. It's a very simple. What is the next part? This is one part of the complete solution. So what is the next part? Next part, the term in n. The term in n free from x. X is what? The term in n free from x is 0. तिथं काय बघा, तिथं x नसलेली टर्म नाही आहे. त्यामुळे याचं इंटिग्रेशन काढण्याची काही गरज नाही. त्यामुळं आपण डायरेक्टली therefore the solution is e raised to x plus y square upon x square is equal to c. So this is the solution here. Okay, so this is the solution. So this is the example solving by rule 3. Okay, 3. So now we take next rule. So that is rule number 4. Okay, rule number 4. So how to obtain the integrating factor and what is the formula there? So that is rule 4. Okay. So what is rule 4? So rule 4 is we take here dou n by dou x. Dou n by dou x. Remember that. And here is dou m by dou y. Same तसाच आहे. And we take here m instead of n. Okay. Is a function of y only. Y only. Say f of y. Then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of f of y dy. So very simple. तसाच फॉर्म्युला आहे बघा. इथं काय केलं, थोडंच बदल केला आणि हा रूल नंबर 4 तयार झालेला आहे. म्हणजे हा फॉर्म्युला म्हणजे हे तुम्ही जेव्हा सॉल्व कराल आणि येणारा आन्सर इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ f of y, म्हणजे फंक्शन ऑफ y ओनली, दॅट इज f of y. then integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of f of y dy. So now we take example. Solve. Simple example we take here. Solve 2xy square minus 2y dx plus 3x square y minus 4x dy is equal to 0. Solve this example. Solution. Okay. Solution. Okay. So comparing it with the standard equation m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So comparing this equation with this, we get m is equal to 2xy square minus 2y and n is equal to 3x square y minus 4x. Okay. So obtain dou n by dou x, dou n by dou y and put that values in this formula. So what is dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y. So what is the dou m by dou y? So partial derivative of m with respect to y keeping x constant. So that is 4xy minus derivative of y is 1. So that is 2 only. What is the dou n by dou x? Dou n by dou x partial derivative of n with respect to x keeping y only constant. So that is 6xy minus 4. 6xy minus 4. So we take this formula. So dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y divided by m is equal to just 4xy. Dou m, so no, dou n by dou x is 6xy minus 4 minus dou m by dou y minus 4xy plus 2 divided by m. What is the m here? 2xy square minus 2y. Okay. So what is this? So this is 2xy. 6xy minus 4xy, 2xy minus 2 divided by. So we take common here 2y. I think 2y common here. So we get here, just a minute, what happened here? 2y xy minus 1. Take it common. So this is equal to what? So this is equal to what? So we take 2 common from this, and xy minus 1 get cancelled. Then 2 to get cancelled, so 1 upon y. So this is f of function of y only. Function of y only. So then what is the integrating factor? So integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of fy dy. So this is e raised to integration of 1 upon y dy. So this is equal to e raised to log y. So this is y only. Okay. So we get integrating factor. So if is equal to y only. So okay. So now multiplying this integrating factor to this equation. Okay. Multiplying by integrating factor, that is y, to this equation. So this equation becomes here. So what happened? This equation becomes here. What happened? 2xy cube minus 2y square dx plus 3x square y square minus 4xy dy is equal to 0. So after multiplying by integrating factor, this equation becomes this, and this is an exact differential equation. So you can check, is it exact differential equation by obtaining dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. If dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, then this equation becomes exact, but not necessary here. Okay, so this is exact differential equation. So if this equation becomes exact, then what is the method of solving this differential equation? So this is m, this is n. So now integration of m dx. Integration of m dx. So what is m? So this is 2xy cube minus 2y square dx. 2xy cube minus 2y square dx. So this is the partial integration with respect to x. So what is the integration of this? So that is 2. So x integration का x square upon 2 get cancel. So x square y cube minus 2. आता है 2y square is constant. 2y square x. 2y square आहे तसा. Integration of dx is x. Then what is the next part? The term in n. Term in n. Free from x is. Free from x is. What is n here? n is this. आता इथं x नसलेली टर्म नाहीच आहे. Is 0. Is 0. Therefore, the required solution is. The required solution is. Okay. So put this is equal to c. So x square y cube minus 2y square x is equal to c. So this is the required solution of this differential equation. So there are four rules to find the integrating factors. मग आपण पहिला रूल घेतलेला आहे, दुसरा घेतलेला आहे, तिसरा घेतलेला आहे, चौथा घेतलेला आहे. त्याची एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत. परत सुरुवातीला आपण ट्रायल अँड एरर मेथडनं आपण काय काढत होतो, इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर काढत होतो आणि इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर काढून एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सॉल्व्ह करत होतो. आता एक लक्षात घ्या की एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनमध्ये एक फिक्स मेथड इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर काढण्याची फिक्स मेथड नाही आहे. त्यामुळे आपण काही एक्झाम्पल हे लागू होत असतं, सगळ्यांनाच लागू होईल असं नाही आहे. एक 4 रूल आहेत. बाकीचे एक्झाम्पल ट्रायल अँड एरर मेथडनं तुम्हाला काढावे लागतील. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पलचा सराव असावा लागतो आणि मग एक्झाम्पलचा सराव केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला आपोआप इंटिग्रेटिंग फॅक्टर शोधता येतो. म्हणजे ह्या 4 रूल व्यतिरिक्त आपण आणि काय करायचं असेल तर आपल्याला ते करता येतं. तर अशा पद्धतीनं आपण इथं एक्झॅक्ट डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनला थांबतोय आणि उद्यापासून लिनियर डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन सुरुवात करतोय. ओके. तर आपण या ठिकाणी थांबायला काही हरकत नाही. थँक्यू.